Our Rav4 seat cover installation video. Unhook the hanging rope at the bottom of the car seat. Remove the headrest. Open the zipper with the airbag logo facing outward and put on the seat cover. Using methods such as tapping and tightening to make the seat cover fit snugly. Use an artboard to insert the bottom into the gap. Press the reserved hole position onto the clothing. Turn over the leather of the original car and cover it with a seat cover. Install the hook. Velcro design at the bottom of the seat cover. Pull it out and stick it on. With foam stick facing outward, put on seat cover. Push the strap to the bottom of the seat. Extend the straps to the second row. There is a backpack strap design at the bottom of the seat cover. Hang the hook. Insert the foam rod into the gap, adjusting the edges with an artboard. Install the headrest cover against the pattern. Install headrest. Second row installation. Remove the seat with upward force. Remove the headrest. Place the seat cover on the corresponding hole position. Press the reserved hole position onto the clothing. Velcro on the back. Stick on the Velcro at the bottom. Adjusting the edges with an artboard. Install the headrest cover. Install headrest. Align the hole position and put on the seat cover. Backpack strap design for tight installation. Tighten and tie the straps securely. Push the seat diagonally downwards and inward. Adjust the position of the seat belt slot. Press the buckle position to install the seat. Complete installation.